Hey, YouTube. It's your old buddy Dave. Alabama Floats. This week's mediocre fishing video consists of some really crappy handheld footage because I left my camera mount in the truck. But you know, you do what you gotta do. So stick around and see what happens. All right, first fish of the day, little baby bass. Appreciate you, little buddy. Caught him on a Z-Man frog. You can really see right now. Z-Man paddletail, weightless, on the top. Second fish of the day, baby rock bass. Still on Z-Man frog topwater. All right, first smallmouth of the day. Y'all know how we do here on Alabama Floats. Nothing but the little guys. Thanks, buddy. All right, smallmouth number 2. Getting bigger. If I catch about 12 more smallmouth, I might have a 2-pounder. We'll see. Finally found a color they wanted. Z-Man, TRD. I'm gonna have to look up the color, tell you in a little while. I still got the pack. Anyway, that's doing the trick right now. Turkey and cheese on stale hamburger bun. Quality lunch right there, folks. All right, trend has reversed. Smallmouth are getting smaller. Oh well, thanks, buddy. All right, wanted to catch one more species for the day, so throw on a crappie jig head and a gulp minnow. Got me a little sunfish. We'll take him.